There are four college friends named Mia, Leah, Kate, and Siesta. They have been classmates for years, and as graduation gets closer, they realize that their lives are about to change. After their last class of the day, they decide to spend some time together before going home. They met at their favorite bench on the campus, a place where they have been shared countless memories, laughter, and worries. Instead of talking about assignments or exam, they begin discussing something much bigger: their dreams, fears, careers, and the future that awaits them after graduation. As they reflect on everything they have learned, each friend shares a different perspective on success, failure, and growing up. Their conversation reminds them that while their paths may soon be different, their friendship and the lessons they have been learned together will always remain.
Guys, have you noticed how different our conversations have become? Like last year we talked about our deadlines and exam, but now we talk about our careers, responsibilities, and the future.
That's because graduation starts near. I worry about exams last then. But now, I worry about whether a company will hire me. Reality changes because we are no longer freshmen. Every decision has a bigger impact on our lives.
I think that's part of growth. You cannot stay comfortable forever because life keeps moving.
Where do you honestly see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, hopefully I'll have a stable career. I want to enjoy life with the people I love and support my family on the money I have. For me, success isn't measured by money. It is measured by the kind of person I become and the life I influence.
Exactly. A good characters makes us, but those characters give us.
Can I be honest?
Of course.
Sometimes I act like everything is okay because laughing is easier than explaining what I really feel. I understand that. There are nights when I can't sleep because I keep thinking about my future.
Same here. I compare myself with people on social media, and suddenly I feel like I'm behind.
But remember, social media shows highlights, not the whole story. Everyone has struggles that other people can see.
Sometimes I wonder if all our hard work really matters.
It will. Every effort builds something, even if you cannot see the results immediately.
You know what's scary? Failure.
Failure is not opposite of success. Sometimes it is the reasons why people become stronger.
That's true. We have learned more from our failures than from our victories.
Our professor teaches us theories, but life teaches us patience.
And life doesn't give us a manual. It just gives us a lesson.
5 years from now, our lives may look different. Some of us may work in school, others may work in different places. But I hope one thing never changes.
What's that?
I hope we never forget who we are today. A student whose dream, struggle, and continue even when life feels uncertain.
You're right. Success doesn't happen all at once. It happens every decision you make every single day.
So maybe 5 years from now, we don't have perfect lives, but we have stronger hearts.
And wiser mind.
Because the futures belong to people who keep moving forward even when the road is difficult. Here's to our dream,
Our growth and the people we are becoming.